Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to save money from emergencies. An emergency fund is a cushion of money that you can use to cover unexpected expenses like a job loss, car repair, or medical bill. There are a few things you can do to save money for an emergency fund. First, set a goal for how much money you want to save. A good goal is to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved off. Second, create a budget and track your spending so you can see where your money is going. Third, find ways to cut back on your expenses. This could mean cooking at home more often, canceling unnecessary subscriptions, or getting a roommate. Finally, automate your savings. This means setting up a recurring transfer from your checking account to saving account so you don't have to think about it. Saving money for an emergency fund is important because it can help you avoid debt and financial stress. By following these tips, you can start saving money for your emergency fund today. If you're ready to start saving money for an emergency fund, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.